Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on WANBO T2 Max projector. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote, navigate to the time settings, then you'll be able to find automatic date and time and you can turn it off or use network provided time. If you decide to put it on off, then you can adjust your time zone, date as well as the time manually. And the last option is to activate or deactivate 12 hours clock, 24 hours clock, which changes it between 12 hours and 24 hours depending if it's enabled or disabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.